got some car guys here, some car gals, some car kids, our sponsors, Farmers Insurance, Don Hatton Cars. We very much appreciate them as our key sponsors for today. So thank you very much. Everything that we're collecting today goes for the foundation, and proceeds again for Rods for Rides, gas cards for patients, and we definitely appreciate you being here. Come on up and look at the trophies. They're amazing. We really love to do this year after year, so please, if you see somebody with Susan B. Allen and you'd like to give a suggestion to make this just better, that's what we're here for, is to make a better place for next year.